Thank you, it's just another day.
Sealer.
It's just another day. Oh.
You see my hottie, I feel run, giddy when I pull up on you. Yeah, I mean, I feel act when I see you blushing, girl, you put me on. Yeah, girl, I want, girl, I like you, so me want. Girl, I want, girl, I like you like me too. Yeah. People say if you're trying to enforce it, something ain't right. Ain't the same when the sun when you know you really like.
But before we get too into the new vlog, let's take it back a little bit to show you what you missed in the last video.
We're in Jamaica.
Jamaica, me nah sell out. Them try clip we wings, somehow we can't fly out. But when we there, yard, nothing nice like Jamaica. Rosemary fruit and banana. Under the tree with a glass of lemonade. Jumping on the river when me ready for bed.
It's our first night in Jamaica, guys, for Carnival, and we're kicking off the party scene strong by attending Fête Gala with Exodus Carnival. It was held at the National Stadium, and so we're just going to give you all the vibes, so I hope you enjoy. Stick around, and don't forget to subscribe, y'all.
Baby, go down low, see you shaking in your legs. All of my mini party wanna see you sweat.
Getting of attention.
But it ain't a crime.
Somebody sing about this.
You wanna miss.
Marriage start up a brand new relationship.
It's spicy, it's creamy. You can taste the real York Island flavor in it. Yeah, try that. So what's up, man? First night in Jamaica is coming to a complete. We came to the party, Fête Gala. I want to say it was pretty good. The music, the atmosphere, the energy, where people was dressed. It was a good vibe to start up. You know, like we could really enjoy the music, but we really didn't get down dirty and sweaty on the first night. And you could tell a lot of people seem like they just got in tonight too.
Oh, what kind of soup that?
Chicken foot, cold skin.
Chicken foot. It tastes good?
That's good.
This is the perfect ending to a Jamaican party.
No bread and some sauce.
Really, I need that.
Some jog sauce. That's all I want.
You have corn? Oh, okay.
Sealer.
It's just another day. Oh. Thank you, Jamie. We wake up this morning, roll out the earth before me start.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. It's day 2 in Jamaica. All right, so let's talk about strategy for content for Carnival, because I know you guys are here for it. So instead of doing one long vlog where I cut out a lot of things, this one I'm really trying to take you guys on the experience with me, so I hope that you guys enjoy what we're gonna be doing. It's going to be sort of like a daily vlog. So yesterday was a hit, was a miss. Yesterday was a miss because the intent was when we left the airport, we would stop at all of these different places, so that could be an entertaining daily vlog. That did not happen. So what we're going to do is we're going to loop day 1 and day 2 into the same video. You have a little bit of our first party, and then today we're going to a river. There's a group of 12 of us that are going, and I'm really excited. We're about to do a room tour so you guys can see, and then once we do the room tour, we're gonna go and try to find coffee or something. Why the place feels so quiet? And it's like a Wednesday. What time is it? Oh, that's why it's 7:30. Like, I don't see any cars. Guys, my view is so amazing. That's the view. So I'm looking at the mountain, and then on the other side, our bedroom window, you could see the water. Angle, you could see the water over here. That's the port right here. So you can see from our bedroom right here, water, water. And I think it might be Port Royal or the airport somewhere over there.
Back to the basics, been a lot of things, but I never been basic. Run around bases, came from the basement, never been shameless. So I got stay in the streets, get dangerous, so I might bang it. Don't like hanging unless you family, please don't claim it. Like what you claiming, what you saying, what you bout and what you need. I'm at the house, ain't at the club. I'm really chilling with my seed. I love my poppy, put me on. I'm really chilling with OGs. Don't test my gangster, think I'm bitch made. We gon' fuck around. Tryna be here for a while on a good time, but we ain't stressed out, just good wine. When I look in the mirror, yeah, I look fine. Good people.
Sun is shining. The weather is sweet. Make you want to move your dancing feet. To the rescue, here I am. You don't have the key?
Yeah, I got a key.
Which one of these things are volume? I'm always touching something that's only on here. Oh, what a thing. I turn it to my mother-in-law. My mommy always I said him on and said, what a thing. Alright, guys, since the last time we came to Jamaica, I wanted to visit Café Blue. And so I finally got a chance to do it because we don't have so many things booked on the agenda. So I'm gonna see what they're all about. You know, all the girlies in Jamaica go to Café Blue. Café Blue, this is nice. Thank you. Good morning. Oh, it's both. Me. That's so adorable. Oh, it's chocolate. Bring this for Taylor. Panini. Yeah. Our bill was 4,000 JMD. If I'm doing the exchange for you. So that was 27 US dollars. Actually, that's a lot of money. That's not a lot? That's cheap? So we got a coffee, 2 coffees, a panini, and 2 sandwiches. $27. Let me know if you guys think that's cheap. Whipped cream, so rich, you guys. This is our very first taste test. This is the blue chino. Babe.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's good.
Say it to them face.
It's good.
Guys, you taste the coffee.
It reminds me of Black Dog.
Yes. But this, you could taste the Blue Mountain coffee in it. Like, Thank you. Yeah, I would recommend this too. And I'm not a sandwich lover. we're in the grocery store picking up some things. So when we're in the Airbnb, like we could deal with like feel hydrated, you know, because we're going to parties and all of that. And let me tell you, I was gonna get liquid IV, but guys, liquid IV has so much sodium, so you want to be careful. And coconut water is a natural source of hydration. This is it. A little water. You're passing it.
Hey, concept.
All right, so I don't know if I told you guys this earlier, but they have mangoes on the tree here, and I'm just gonna pick them up because otherwise they're ripe. This is a blackie mango. I know it looks green, but we call it blackie, and it's supposed to be like this. Let's get some mangoes.
Sweet Jamaica, we not left ya. Love me a key and my saltfish, we not left ya. Tap man banana, we not left ya.
It's God alone that me realize say I never have to buy no mango, you know. Guys, I don't have to buy any mangoes. It's free with my stay. Like jamming to the reggae beats. Whoa, sweet Jamaica. If you love Jamaica, let me see your hand. Nah, left ya. Nah, left ya. We're getting ready to roll out to pretty close. The whole gang is together. Harper, this is your mom's old stomping ground. Everybody in the car getting ready to head out. That's Diamond in the back. Say hi, Dav. Hello. That's Harper. Big up yourself. Travis in the front. Big up yourself. Nicholas. Big up yourself. Nick Ravers. Again at that or plum? How much for the plum? Oh, yeah, 400, babe. Quick. Thank you. Respect. Watch your back. I'm gonna get plum. We're gonna share the plum. See it here? This is what happens when you live in Jamaica. You can't go hungry. Harper, you ready for eat? She ready. She have mango and she have plum. She good. Who gave me this? You or Travis? Okay. Good response time, babe. In Jamaica, you have to walk with your money ready to pull it out at any time.
You have to pull from the left. Boy, so let's put a change up top.
Yeah, try it, Harper. A long time I eat plum, now. It smelled good. Oh, wow.
Take some pictures of these and Leo.
So good. So good.
My Uncle William and Simon had a tree that used to bear these. In my elementary school.
Did I read that tree there?
So I kind of big stone up in the tree.
Yes.
You just got that because you know which branch you're going to hit and where you're going to fall when it comes down. Wait, what's your seed?
I didn't give it to her. She said she don't want it.
Where you take, Nick? What you call licking finger? Currently, I think approaching the Gordontown area. Past some markets. There's people over there selling banana and all sorts of something.
We all loaded up. We got real driving now.
Yeah,
Somebody who know where they
You're
going.
just a bar driver.
Yes, guys, y'all see it. This place is beautiful. Yeah, man, definitely giving that vibe for sure.
Hi! Who's Melissa? I am. And what's your name? Tracy. Hi, Tracy.
Cross ID.
Wow. What's your name?
Yeah, man. So come through. Respect.
Somebody call and say Melissa again. That's why me I wonder.
Yeah, that's the other half.
Okay, okay, darling. Come straight up on the same road that you're on.
Yeah, the coconut, I'm just rinsing off and cooling up.
I'm just too excited right now.
Yeah, let go up and start to long put on the stuff them. Yeah guys, so once again, like I say, one of the things I always appreciate about Jamaica is the natural beauty of the place, man. Like, look at this place, man. I mean, they got some pallet chairs. The rocks are already designed the way they want. You just add a little few vision, and you can just create so much in this place, man. Like, you know, I can tell you guys, man, it's really, look at that. Tire stairs. You probably can't see in the distance, but he built some stairs that are tires, bro. Like, innovation, yo. You can find some used tires any place. Some dirt, pile them up like that. Tire stairs, bro. You gotta be innovative, man. Look at this place, coming together. Look at this little hut they built out just like that. Built it top of the cliff. Telling y'all, man. Jamaica nice. Long time.
We just got our sips, and as you can see, Travis is already sipping because it looks so good. Oh, cornet, no salt. This is Ita.
Yeah, you can taste the pumpkin through and through.
Oh, two more coming. Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, look at this food. Oh, it's so good. Look at the bowl too. All right, let me eat. So good.
The vlogger is vlogging the vlogger.
Now that the entire crew is here, we had plans to just go straight into the hike. But guys, Mother Nature had its own plans, so the rain came and we decided to take a little walk up the hill to see what's there. And they had the cutest dogs on the premises. I fell in love with some of them, even though I think some of them could be a little, you know, fatter. They could eat some more food. But we danced in the rain. Dav and I just kind of explored the hillside a little bit as we're playing with our little new friends. And kind of bunkered down until we thought the rain was going to end, which it didn't. But, you know, you're at a riverside, so enjoy all you can.
Everybody wanna feel like free. Forget your troubles and rice and peas.
Yes.
Item stew.
Yes.
Okay, and saltfish.
Yes.
First time right green.
Yes. Okay.
Fish over there.
Yes. This is my favorite part.
And we have green cabbage here.
My ito. Aki. So one big jelly there.
Yeah, one like that me want.
The item.
We're still at pretty close. Yeah, we probably should go before it starts again. I went into the river for a little bit. Guys, the rain washed us out and it's now after 5. I'm sorry, it's like 3:30. So we're just gonna call it quits. We didn't get to do the hike, but we did get to eat. Like I would have loved to go on up here, but the hike takes you all the way up this side. But either way, I feel like I had a very relaxing day. I'm about to go leave so we could do our carnival costumes. It's up here, right? The same place? Yeah. Getting her for collecting rocks, y'all. My girl all climb up on the chair.
Yes, Lord, thank you.
Yes, we made it back to the car. Guys, it got rained out, but I will say it's a nice place. We'll be back though.
Sweet Jamaica, we nah left ya. Love me yaki and my saltfish, we nah left ya. Top ya man banana, we